My name is Masego Moatswi. I'm 26 years old. I'm acting because acting is my dream. Hello? Oh my God. No, don't tell me that my mother is gone. I can't live without my mother, please. Oh my God. Is that my mother is dead? I don't know what to do because I'm doing. For me, my mother was the only thing I've got. I've got nothing to say. Please, no. No. To me, I don't have a father. I don't even know my own father. I've never seen my father with my own eyes. So God, why did you take my mother away from me? The only mother I've got. Oh God, please tell me this is not true. Please tell me this is not true. Oh no. I don't think I've got life in this world because everything is gone for me. I've got no one. I'm just me. Oh no. No. God, people say you have to forgive, but I won't forgive you for this. I won't forgive you for taking my mother away from me, the only mother I've got. You say if I pray, you won't get my mother away from me, but I did pray every second, every minute. I pray for you, and this is the thanks that you give me.